to go through a couple of the examples from our assignment. So if we look at this first one, the first thing you need to do is find out which one is the parent chain, how long the longest chain is. So if you count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you could also do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's not it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would work too. One of the rules is to make sure that you find the branch at the shortest end. So if you go this way, there would be a branch on carbon number 3. If you go this way, there's a branch on carbon number 3. But this one, the other rule is the largest functional group, if you can. So this one is bigger than this one. So we'll start numbering from this way. So we're going to do that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's hexane. And then on carbon number 3, there's an ethyl. And on carbon number 4, there's a methyl. So it's going to be 3 ethyl, 4 methyl hexane. Okay, for the next one, this is going to be the longest chain here. You can go this way, but the group off of it will be exactly the same. So we'll just number it this way. It's the straighter one. So we'll number from this way because we can see that there's a functional group closer to this end than on this end. So the closest functional group is here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one's going to be octane. And on carbon number 3, there's a methyl. So it's going to be 3 methyl. And then on carbon number 5, there's a 3 carbons with propyl. So 5 propyl octane. So now I'll do a couple of examples of cyclic hydrocarbons. So this one here, you can see that there are 5 carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's cyclopentane. And then there's one branch with 1 carbon, so a methyl group. So because there's just one branch, you don't need to say it's 1 methyl. You can, but it just needs to be methyl or 1 methyl cyclopentane. This next one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbon. So it's going to be cyclo, and then it is octene, and then we can say that's on carbon number 1. So it's going to be, you can do it 2 different ways. You can do cyclo-oct 1E, and then we number it. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to be 6, 7 dimethyl. One example of drawing. I find drawing what's written is a little bit easier than trying to figure out how to name them. So this one is 2,2,3-trimethylbutane. So the first thing I do is the parent chain. So there's 4, and then on carbon 2, there's 2 methyls, and then on carbon 3, there's a methyl. And then the rest we just fill in like so. So that's how you draw those ones.